Well, good morning guys. It's another day here in Penang. Unfortunately, I've lost my partner in crime, Stephanie. She's had to fly back to Vietnam. Got to go back to work tomorrow, so I've got an extra day here. Come along while I take you for a walk through the heart of British and Chinese Old Penang. Georgetown was originally established as a clearinghouse by Francis Light of the East India Company in 1786. However, Light had negotiated with the Sultan of Kedah in the 1770s to protect it from the Siamese. Indeed, it was the first British settlement in Southeast Asia. Georgetown boomed, and with it came many immigrants, notably Indian and Chinese. Down along the waterfront here now. I didn't bother entering the fort as I have been in there before, and also I was a bit pushed for time. So that's the walls of Fort Cornwallis there, and we can see some of the cannons. So let's put the drone up and have a look. Fort Cornwallis was built to protect merchants and their ships and goods from pirates and, in the end, the Sultan of Kedah, who turned on the British. But as it turned out, the fort was never utilised. We're just circumnavigating Fort Cornwallis here, and I believe this is the clock tower that was built in honour of Queen Victoria. That was built in honour of Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee. The Islamic architecturally inspired Jubilee Clock Tower was built to commemorate Queen Victoria's 1897 Diamond Jubilee. It's 60 feet tall, 1 foot for each year of her reign at that time. A lot of colonial British buildings down here, but I gotta say it's pretty quiet and a pretty sterile kind of location. Some graduates here getting their pictures taken. But yeah, it's not really much to see. Actually looking for a place with some Wi-Fi at the moment, but not finding anything. Everything that is here looks like it's shut. Well, I found some internet, sent a few messages that were pending, and now I'm walking through this really old Chinese neighborhood. Some really classic buildings here. Looks amazing. I'll just cross the road here and let you see where we're at. It's Lebo King is the name of the street. And look at these buildings here. It's incredible. I love those rooftops. There are 3 Chinatowns in Penang. This one here is the original old Chinatown. This area is the oldest urban area in both Malaysia and Singapore to be continuously occupied by the Chinese community. Very nice. Nice. Well, I've really stumbled on the touristy part of Chinatown here. I'm sure Steph will be disappointed she missed this area. Very touristy down here. Oh, super busy. We've stopped for passion fruit and coconut cream cake at China House. Well, I just had an absolutely delicious vegetarian mini quiche. Even though this place is called China House, there's technically nothing China about the food here. And here we've got passion fruit coconut cream cake. Let's try it. That is good. That is really good. I mean, what wouldn't be good about coconut and passion fruit? Let's be honest, eh? Let's be really honest. That's magnificent. The sponge cake is so airy, so light. Beautiful, moist, fresh, not old. They must go through the cakes here quite quickly. The cream is real cream. The passion fruit, delectable. Wow, that is good. Well, without a doubt, very delicious passion fruit cake and a very, very nice vegetarian quiche. Maybe one of the best quiches I've had. just about ever, so it was very good. However, they always leave a bit of a sour taste in your mouth when they don't put the tax on the item until you go to pay, and it then turns out to be a little more than you anticipated. So that was about $6 US, so a bit more than I would have been happy to pay. But still, it was a nice experience and definitely good food, no doubt about that. It's incredible just how diverse Malaysia is, because the streets here in Penang even are so entwined. We have a Little India, we have Chinatown, they just blend into each other. And here we are, we've just walked a couple of 100 meters and we're back into a Chinese neighborhood. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to like and subscribe. We're Girls on the Loose. Bye bye for now.